Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, PSD World. Today we explore the Canary Islands, a haven of natural beauty and adventure. The Canary Islands, located off the northwest coast of Africa, comprise a captivating group of volcanic islands known for their remarkable natural landscapes. The archipelago consists of 7 main islands, each with its own distinct charm and allure. From the dramatic peaks of Tenerife's Mount Teide, Spain's highest point, to the striking rock formations of Lanzarote's Timanfaya National Park, the Canary Islands offer a visual feast for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Discovering the diversity of the Canary Islands. Each island in the Canary Archipelago has its own unique character and attractions. Gran Canaria, known as a continent in miniature, entices visitors with its diverse microclimates, picturesque villages, and stunning sand dunes of Maspalomas. Fuerteventura, a paradise for water sports enthusiasts, boasts long stretches of pristine golden beaches and world-class surfing conditions. La Palma, with its lush forests and mesmerizing starry skies, is a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve and an ideal destination for nature lovers and stargazers. Embracing the cultural heritage. Beyond its natural beauty, the Canary Islands also offer a rich cultural tapestry that reflects its fascinating history. The islands have been influenced by various civilizations, including the Guanches, the indigenous people of the archipelago. Explore the historic quarters of Las Palmas de Gran Canaria and Santa Cruz de Tenerife, where colonial architecture blends seamlessly with modern life. Experience vibrant festivals, such as Carnival, where the streets come alive with colorful costumes, music, and dance. Delighting in gastronomic delicacies. No trip to the Canary Islands would be complete without savoring the mouthwatering local cuisine. Indulge in traditional dishes such as papas arrogadas, wrinkled potatoes, with mojo sauce, fresh fish and seafood, and the famous gofio, a staple made from roasted grains. Pair your meal with a glass of local wine produced in the volcanic soils, or sample the sweet and aromatic honey that is produced on the islands. Soak up the sun and relax on pristine beaches. With over 500 kilometers of coastline, the Canary Islands boast some of the most picturesque and diverse beaches in Europe. Whether you prefer golden sands, black volcanic shores, or hidden coves, there is a beach to suit every taste. Unwind on the tranquil shores of Playa de las Canteras in Gran Canaria. Dive into the crystal-clear waters of Papagayo Beach in Lanzarote, or bask in the sun on the secluded beaches of La Gomera. Unforgettable adventures and outdoor pursuits. Adventure awaits around every corner in the Canary Islands. Explore the underwater wonders while diving in El Hierro's Marine Reserve, hike through the mystical laurel forests of La Palma, or embark on a thrilling windsurfing expedition along the coast of Tenerife. The islands also offer opportunities for paragliding, mountain biking, and camel riding, ensuring an adrenaline-filled experience for adventure enthusiasts. The Canary Islands are also home to several protected natural areas, providing a sanctuary for unique flora and fauna. Discover the otherworldly landscapes of Timanfaya National Park in Lanzarote, where volcanic formations and geothermal activity create a surreal atmosphere. Explore Garajane National Park in La Gomera, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its ancient laurel forest and mystical hiking trails. The Canary Islands offer a plethora of outdoor activities that allow visitors to connect with nature and create lasting memories. Immerse yourself in island life. To truly experience the essence of the Canary Islands, take the time to immerse yourself in the laid-back island lifestyle. Visit local markets, such as Mercado de Vegeta in Gran Canaria or Mercado Nuestra Señora de Africa in Tenerife, where you can taste local produce and interact with friendly vendors. Wander through the narrow streets of charming villages like Terra or Garachico, admiring the traditional architecture and soaking in the authentic atmosphere. Engage with the warm and welcoming locals, who will share stories and traditions that reflect the spirit of the Canary Islands. Captivating cultural events and festivals. The Canary Islands are renowned for their vibrant festivals and cultural celebrations. One of the most famous is Carnival, a colorful extravaganza held annually in February or March. Join the locals in their elaborate costumes, dance to the infectious rhythms of Latin music, and witness the dazzling parades that take place across the islands. Other cultural events include the Bajada de la Rama in La Palma, where locals gather to celebrate the harvest season with music and dancing, and the Corpus Christi celebrations in several towns, where streets are adorned with intricate flower carpets. Preserving the Canary Islands' natural heritage. The Canary Islands' commitment to preserving their natural heritage is evident through the establishment of numerous protected areas and sustainable practices. From the biosphere reserves and national parks to the marine reserves and conservation projects, efforts are being made to ensure the long-term preservation of the island's unique ecosystems. Visitors can contribute to these conservation efforts by practicing responsible tourism, respecting the environment, and supporting local initiatives that promote sustainability. The Canary Islands are a true gem in the Atlantic Ocean, offering a mesmerizing blend of natural beauty, adventure, culture, and relaxation. Whether you seek adrenaline-pumping activities, tranquil beachside retreats, or immersive cultural experiences, these islands have something for everyone. Join us on PSD World as we delve into the captivating charms of the Canary Islands and uncover the hidden treasures that make this destination an unforgettable paradise. Get ready to embark on a journey of a lifetime and let the magic of the Canary Islands capture your heart. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative and entertaining. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.